your name?
My name is Alicia.
Which class are you from?
I'm from grade 11 TKKS.
Oh. Can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
First, what kind of music do you like?
I like listening to kind of music.
Ah. Second is, who is your favorite singer or band?
My favorite singer is from Indonesia singer I like Nadine Amizah, Tulus, and from Mandarin song singer I like Decho, and Firdaus.
Ah. When do you usually listen to music?
When listening music, what I will do something and playing game or just chill.
How music makes you feel?
Makes me feel is see random sih, random.
Last, have you been to a concert?
I have been, I haven't been, not yet to concert. Hopefully. Sorry. Berisik sih.
Thank you for answering my question, Alicia.